Hey guys, welcome to Consistency YouTube channel. Today we are going to look upon some interesting things on dark psychology. Come on, let's get into the video. Dark psychology is the science and art of manipulation and mind control. Psychology alone is the study of how the human mind and thoughts behave and make us interact with others. For example, a politician may use dark psychology to manipulate the media into presenting them favorably. A salesperson uses manipulation tactics to convince potential customers to purchase a product they do not need. A boss may use dark psychology to control their employees and keep them in line. Using dark psychology can help us understand why people do the things they do. For example, it may help us understand why someone behaves a certain way or why they make certain decisions. Dark psychology can also be used to predict future behaviors based on past behaviors. Now let's see something called the dark psychology triad. The dark psychology triad is a group of 3 personality traits often found together in individuals who exhibit manipulation, callousness, and a lack of empathy or sympathy. While all 3 traits are frequently encountered in one individual, they can also exist independently of one another. Individuals with any combination of these traits can be perilous and should be avoided. Number 1. Narcissism is a personality disorder characterized by an inflated sense of self-importance and a preoccupation with oneself. Narcissistic people tend to view others merely as extensions of themselves, and they may be overly focused on their achievements or appearance. Number 2. According to the psychoanalytic perspective, Machiavellianism can be thought of as a defense mechanism used by individuals who feel insecure or vulnerable. They use these manipulative behaviors to protect themselves from perceived threats or attacks. However, from a more modern perspective, Machiavellianism is seen as a largely determined set of personality characteristics that arise from a combination of biological factors and social experience, regardless of its origin. Studies have shown that Machiavellianism is often linked to adverse outcomes such as anger, distrust, and strife within social relationships. Thus, while it may not be possible to eliminate this trait's influence on our behavior, we can still take steps to minimize its harmful effects on our lives. Number 3. Psychopathy. Psychopathy is a mental disorder characterized by a lack of empathy and remorse, as well as antisocial behaviors such as manipulation and deceit. Individuals with psychopathy often have a high degree of charm and charisma, which can draw people in and make them easy targets, while psychopathy is often associated with violent behavior. Not all psychopaths are criminals. Some may function relatively well in society, although they may still struggle with personal relationships. Psychopathy is believed to be caused by a combination of genetic factors and early childhood experiences. There is no cure for psychopathy, but some treatments may help manage its symptoms.